Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So JD brought his Street Glide in to get a larger upgrade done. So he had a stage 3, then he went to a stage 3 high power. So that's 8s on a 1600.1. He decided to go all in, still running stock bags, but he went for a stage 5. So we cut the bags, fiberglass, reinforced them, upgraded to 10-inch mid-bass drivers, sealed and ported the bags, and went with a 3000.1. So the bike has a complete Diamond Audio setup in the front, Diamond Audio Neos in the top, MO75 horns, Neos in the lowers, 800.4 Sound Digital Evo X, HKI Mini DSP running all that. Then we did a 3000.1 in the tour pack on sealed and ported bags, and so we more than doubled the power. Obviously lithium battery upgrade. Bike sounds phenomenal. Now the bass can keep up the highs. He's completely happy. It's an upgrade he's been wanting to do for a while. So bike sounds phenomenal. He's completely happy with it. We're completely happy with it. Check out the way it sounds.
Dum-dums bust the scientifical approach to the course, and the force is centrifugal. Can you find your way through the lyrics that be catching them? Throw another rhyme across the room, they be fetching them. And they take a loss to the master. And I throw crazy blows and they knows I be plastering all across the room, on the ceilings and the walls too. Punk little suckers.
Sit down,
Frank,
stand up,
Frank,
pass out,
Frank,
wake up,
Frank,
fade it,
Frank,
fade it.
Frank.
Now I done grew around some people living their life in bottles. Granddaddy had the golden flask, backstroke every day in Chicago. Some people like the way it feels, some people want to cure their sorrow, some people want to fit in with the popular. That was my problem. I was in a dark room, loud tunes, looking to make a vibe.